Meethi Mathi is such a popular dish in Indian homes during festivals, especially during Karwa Chauth. Karwa Chauth fast is not completed without the special fasting cuisine, and Meethi Mathi is one of them. I'm sharing a recipe of Meethi Mathi today with all the tips and tricks so you can make a perfect Meethi Mathi very easily at home. And if you will enjoy this recipe, then please click on the like button, and if you're new to our channel, then please subscribe us using the link below and click on the bell icon to get notifications of all the upcoming recipes. So let's start making Meethi Mathi. To make 2 large-size Meethi Mathi, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of semolina or suji. It will make mathis even crispier. Now add a pinch of salt. Adding salt is completely optional, you can skip it. Mix them well. Once mixed well, then add a 1/4 cup of ghee or oil in it. Mix it well. Crumble the mixture until flour is moist with ghee. Once mixed well, then dough should come together like this. If it's still crumbly or it's not coming together, then you can add 1 more tablespoon of ghee or oil in it and mix it well. Then add water gradually to knead a tight dough. Make sure to add water little by little. And once dough is ready, then cover it with cling film or with wet muslin cloth and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare sugar syrup, and for that I'm using 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water in it. Or we need water just to cover the sugar. Once it's warmed up, then add a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix it well. Keep cooking on medium to high heat. If you prefer more sugar, then make the syrup to have a consistency of 2 strings. Otherwise, cook the syrup to get 1 string consistency. To check the consistency, dip the spoon in the sugar syrup and let it cool down for a few seconds. Then check it using your index finger and thumb tip. The syrup should make a 1 string consistency, as you can see that. I'm getting 1 string consistency, that means my sugar syrup is now ready. But if you want 2 string consistency, then wait and cook it further until you get 2 strings from this sugar syrup, and then turn the heat off. Now I'm getting back to the dough. So knead the dough again until it goes smooth and crack free. Then divide the dough into 2 to 3 equal portions. Place the first dough ball on a clean surface and roll it with a rolling pin. Mathi should not be too thick or too thin. It needs to be thicker than the roti we make. And the next step to make it crispy is to poke it with a knife or a toothpick or a fork. This tip is to avoid the puffing up of mathi while frying, because we want it to be flat and crispy. And the next step is to fry this mathi in oil. And oil should not be too hot, it just bubble around the mathi. Keep the flame on low to medium to make crispy mathi. The extra hot oil tends to create bubbles on the mathi surface that we completely don't want. Now keep frying until it goes golden brown. As you can see, the color has changed and it's time to take it out. Take it out, and either place it on the plate to pour sugar syrup on it or dip it in the sugar syrup. So I'm going to pour sugar syrup on it. Spread the syrup on the mathi and then garnish it with finely chopped pistachio, and then use finely chopped almonds and let it cool down. Then enjoy this crispy and delicious mathi. It did not even need a lot of ingredients, so try this recipe on this Karwa Chauth and let me know how did that go. And if you have enjoyed this recipe, then please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe our channel. Please make sure to click on the bell icon to get notifications of all the upcoming videos. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist from this screen. And you can even subscribe us using the button on the screen or use a link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay connected.